I just want to give you an update on the Traders Companion console and how we're doing with it. So yesterday there was a trade which went horribly wrong. This was the euro dollar. I'm just showing it here so it doesn't mess up with the rest of the stuff that's going on in the background. But we went long euro, dollar. It went down, I closed out, and you see it shot straight back up, which is a shame because we end up losing 906, which wasn't so nice. But I'm going to give you an update as to what else has been happening. So that was euro dollar yesterday. If we look at all symbols, and we can look at Bitcoin. So we did some Bitcoin trading as well, and I think I need to go back to the weekend. So that went quite well, compounded. We got out. Let's see how much we made there. So Bitcoin was, yeah, we're about $1,000 there for Bitcoin, so that was a nice result. What else do we get? And this is the last 3 days. That's 6th of October, so that's 2 days ago. That was a Sunday, I believe. Symbols, so I think we did some gold. Let's move on to gold. Some gold trading today, so we're 835 on gold. Various positions, and this is all using the color change. So gold was quite good. US 30, that didn't look so good. Oh, 256. Okay, so we made profit on that one. That's good. I thought with the losses up here, it was negative. What else did we do? Keep going to the wrong place. So symbols. So that we lost. Pound yen minus 320. And Aussie dollar. So we've got some Aussie dollars, nothing happening there. But if I do all history, so all symbols, this is the past 3 days since the 6th, we are in total up just $1,000. And you can see right now I'm also compounding into Australian dollar. Nice green line moving up. Likewise, also you can see that on the 15 minutes and 5 minutes, and we've been compounding in this area where we saw pushed up, start retrace, went in on the retracement, which has been compounding since. So I'm just gonna let this run. Come to $70 up right now, and let's see how it runs. So I just want to give you a quick update. Yes, there'll be losses, nothing's 100%, but if you do follow general trend movements, you should be okay. Actually, I do want to show something that happened today. Yeah, this one, I just want to show you this actually, because it just shows you how quickly things can turn. So we did make money on this, but you can see how quickly we could have lost. So we did make 835, sold here, it bounced up, sold here, and you see it just shot up since then. And I missed out on this move, but these were two short-term movements which we managed to pull off and made 835. But if you left it, it would have shot straight back up, and it would have been quite a horrible loss. So you do have to watch this at times. The markets are can be quite volatile, especially if you're trading something like gold. So that was a quick update. You can try this, test it out on demo, test it out on whatever you want. This works on all brokers. Yeah, I'm happy to give you demo licenses, live licenses, up to 5, 10, as much as you need really to get this working, because this really does work. If you get the right direction, you can compound and really grow your account. So if you're a premium Patreon member, this is at no additional cost, and we do have an option now. If you do want to purchase this, it's not a problem with no commitment, but it is significantly more expensive. If you join us, you'll get access to this. Test it out and see how you get on, because I'm finding trading a lot more easier using it. So that was the update. I hope you're well, and have a good day.